Remainder is 8. Our remainder equal to 8. So A equal to BQ plus R. What is our A value? What is our A value? 616
6.
equal to B is 32 into Q plus R is 8.
8.
Q is 19. Okay. Here we get remainder is 8. It is not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0.
Again, apply Euclid division algorithm on remainder and divisor. What is remainder? Remainder is 8 and
8.
divisor is
And 32.
okay, 8 and 32. It is 32 equal to 8 into some quotient plus remainder. 32 divided with 8. How many times? 8 table, 32.
4.
4 times.
times.
Here we get remainder is 0.
0.
So what is our HCF? What is our HCF? Here R equal to 0.
8.
So
8, ma'am.
HCF is divisor only. Our divisor is 8. HCF equal to 8. So 616 and 32. HCF of 616 and 32
This 8.
is 8. Highest common factor. It means maximum number of rows. Maximum number of, not rows, columns. Maximum number of columns are 8.
So means in the sense of 32 members, how we can arrange each column? 8 columns should come. Each column how many? 32 first. Oh, each column how many ra?
First group 32 members.
32 members. You have to arrange 8 columns. So each column how many?
3, 4, 5, 6,
4, sir.
8.
Each column 4 fellows. Correct or not? So 32 divided by
4,
so 32 members you can make 8 columns. So each column we can keep 4 members. Like that, yes, yes. So 616 also how many? So back of each column how many will come? 616. Can you able to say? They also must be arranged in 8 columns. That is what they are asking. Maximum number of columns. Same 8 columns. So how many members should come? 616 fellows we have to arrange them just behind them.
It means divided with 8.
Just you have to do divide with 8. That's all you will get it.
How many times? 8 sevens are 56. 5 is left. It is 56. 8 sevens are 56. 77 members. Each column having 77 members.
Do you understand, all of you?
Sir.
So like that we have to arrange. That is what? So exact number of columns of first group, exact number of columns of second group they should come, and also maximum possibility we have to get. So that is why we are doing what? HCF. What we are doing? HCF, highest common factor. Do you understanding, Ra? Suppose you see, we can arrange them equally in the form of like lowest also. Single row I can, single column I can arrange. But how it will come? 32 members in also in a single column, 616 also single column. But it should not be like that. Correct or not? They are asking maximum possibility, maximum number of columns they are asking. So that is why we are finding HCF. Do you understanding, all of you? So HCF if we will do, so maximum number of columns we can form. This 30 plus the 616 fellows is 8 columns we can form. So 32 fellows will be arranged each column 4 and 616 fellows will be arranged each column 77 behind them. So that is what it is. Do you understanding or not?
Yes.
Okay. That is.
Sir.
So like these sums will come in exam. So if they will ask you maximum possible columns, then you have to do HCF.
Suppose they are asking each column having how many members?
Each column how many members? Can you able to count now? Please tell me. Each column how many members?
Each column, each column how many members?
4.
First group 4 members
4.
and
4,
second
ma'am.
77.
4 ma'am. 47.
Having total how many members? 77 plus 4. Do you understand? Total each column having how many members? 77 plus 4. 81 members.
81.
And what do I say? Faraday is always having even number only. There is no odd number. Understand, Raha? Okay. Number of columns will be always even number. Do it. Okay, this is what the question. Solve this question, all of you. Do you understand or not? Any doubt, please ask me. Padmavarshini, Arvind, Akshaya.
In exam, simply do HCF.
Yes, sir.
See, exam, we don't need to do this all. And we don't need to solve this example. What
Wherever we
example?
see the maximum, highest, largest,
We have to do just simply how to
that
do.
are the keywords for HCF.
So we don't need to do this all the things, Ra. So just you have to do whenever you will find the maximum number of columns like this Faraday kind of questions, or as a crew, people crew or something, then you can do HCF simply. Understand, Dilipan, Arya? So that HCF,
Understood, sir.
what we have to do, we have to follow the division, Euclid division algorithm. Do you understand? That's all. So solve this question. Once it is completed, you tell.
Completed, sir.
Completed, everyone? Minimum means LCM, that's all. Very good, Kevin. Minimum number means that you can do LCM. You will get lowest common multiple.
Next exercise, we will discuss LCM and HCF.
Next exercise it will come. Okay, Kevin? Minimum means you can do LCM, maximum means highest common factor. Yeah, okay. Do it now. Next.
Read fourth question. Fourth question.
What is the fourth question? Read, all of you.
Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integers. Positive integers. What are positive integers? 1, 2,
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and so on.
and so on. These are the positive integers. Square of positive integers means 1 square,
2 square,
2
3
square,
square,
4 square, 5 square, and so on. They are in the form of 3m plus 1.
or 3m plus.
Okay, for some integer m. M is any integer.
And here some hint also they have given you. See. Solve this question now, all of you.
Positive here given square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integers means 1 square, comma 2 square, comma 3 square, 4 square, and so on. They are in the form of 3m.
3m or 3m plus
3m or 3m plus.
Okay. Use Euclid division algorithm. What is the general form of Euclid division algorithm?
A is equal to BQ
A
plus
is equal to BQ plus R.
BQ
Equal to BQ plus R.
Here, let A is any positive integer.
X.
Any positive integer. And what about B? B value. Let B equal to. Here we have to show that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so on. They are in the form of 3m plus 1. 3m
Yeah,
plus
ma'am.
like BQ plus R, correct? So
D is equal
value 3.
Equals 3.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the range of our range?
All of you should speak, Ray.
0, 1 or 2, ma'am. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2.
Here B value 0, 0 greater than or equal to or greater than or less than B.
Less than.
A equal to what is B value? Our B equal to 3. In
Three,
place
ma'am.
of B, 3 comes 3.
We
3
have
Q
to
plus R.
Plus
the possible reminders are 0, 1 and 2.
range of R is 0 less than or equal to or less than B value. Our B value is 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
In place
Yes,
of
ma'am.
So 0, 1 and 2, ma'am. 0, 1 and 2.
The
so
possibilities
how
now.
many possibilities? R equal to 0, one possibility, and R is greater
0
than
and
2.
1 is also the one possibility.
Comma
And
2.
2 is the one possibility.
Don't take 3. Y means R not equal to 3.
Less
R
than
is less than 3. So we
Less
have
than
3
3, ma'am.
possibilities.
Remainder is less than 3.
3 possibilities. Do you understand? So when R
Less
equal
than divisor.
to when R equal to 0, what is the equation? When R equal to 0, R value substitute in this equation.
A is equal to 3q plus
A is equal to 3q plus 0.
A equal to 3q plus 0. Okay. Next. When R equal to 1, what is the equation?
A is
Plus
equal
one.
to 3 plus 1.
A equal to 3q plus 1. When R equal to 2, A equal to
3q plus 2.
3q plus 2. Here we want square of any positive integer. Here A is any positive integer. So square of A. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. A square equal to 3q plus 0 whole square. What is the value? Here we want square of any positive integers, correct? So squaring on both sides.
Yeah, 3 to the whole square. That means 9q square.
3q whole square. 3q whole square is
9q square. ma'am. 9q square.
q square.
9q square plus 0.
9q square. What are the factors of 9? Factors.
Ma'am,
3 into 3.
3 into
Ma'am, that means 3 of 3q square, ma'am.
3 square or 3 into 3. 3 into 3 q square. Correct? See, here we have to show
ma'am.
that square of any positive integer in the form of 3m.
3m or 3m plus 1.
Okay, here m is any integer. Okay, m is any integer. Let m value, here m value.
Ma'am, then here m is equal to 3q square.
3q square. In place of 3q square, you substitute m. What is the value? What is the equation? A square
Then
equal
3m.
3 into 3q square
m
value
square.
is it is 3m.
m is equal to 3q square, so 3m.
So a square equal to, we get one equation 3m. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. When r
Now
equal
a is equal to 3q plus 1, ma'am.
when r equal to 1, that equation is a equal to 3q plus 1. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What is the equation?
A
a
square
square
is
plus is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole square.
3q plus 1 whole square.
Ma'am, here we can do a plus b the whole square.
Yes. Is like a plus b whole square. What is the a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square,
A square plus
Plus
2ab
2ab plus b square.
a square plus 2ab plus b square.
minus b square.
What minus?
It is plus.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus a plus b whole square.
Okay, ma'am.
So here a
Ma'am, 9q square.
equal to 3q and b equal to 1. So a square is 3q whole square.
9q square
3q the whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 3q into 1.
3q into 1. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3q whole square is 9q square
9q square
1
plus
square
1, 1, then plus 6q, 6q.
2 into 3q is 6q. 6q plus 1, 6q only. Arrange the terms based on the power. Arrange the terms
No.
based on the power. 9q
9q
square
plus 6q
plus
plus
q plus 1. Here we have to show that square of any positive integers are in the form of 3m plus 1. Okay, here we have to show that 3m plus 1 format. Okay. So here 3 is common. Take 3 is common. These two terms, first two terms. Here we have to show that 3m plus 1 format. Don't disturb 1. Okay. See these two terms. What is the common? These two terms.
3, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am, 3.
Take 3 is common. First term
Ma'am,
becomes
3q square plus 2q, ma'am. Ma'am, 3q square plus 2q.
3q square plus 2q. Plus write 1 as it is. Do you understand this step? Any doubt? This step, any doubt, ask me. Here we have to show that in the form of 3m plus 1. So don't disturb the 1. Write 1 as it is. And remaining terms are 9q square and 6q. These two terms. Take 3 is common. So first term is 3 into 3q square is 9q square. And second term 3 into 2q is 6q. Do you understand?
If there is a possible for second one also we can use 3m.
Next, here m equal to, first case m equal to, in first case what is m? 3q square, correct? And second case
Ma'am.
m equal to, these
3q
two
square
terms,
plus
m equal to 3q square plus
3q square plus 2q.
in second case m equal to 3q square plus 2q. So equation becomes, in place of
3m plus 1.
plus 2q, write m. Do you understand this one? Padmavarshini, Prahasini.
Three m plus 1, ma'am.
3m plus 1. So square of any positive integers are in the form of 3m plus 1. Next, when r equal to 3. Sorry, that's all. So square of any positive integers are in the form of 3m plus 1. Here we not solve r equal to 2, correct? So let's solve when r equal to 2. What is the equation? When r equal to 2, what
A is equal to 3q plus 2, ma'am. A is equal to 3q plus 2.
3q plus 2. Squaring on both sides.
You speak now. Everybody you speak.
Square is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square. A square is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square.
Wait, Kevin. Let them speak all. So now tell again. It is looks like a plus b whole square, correct? Now you see.
Yes,
Now Pranav, everybody solve it.
3, ma'am, 3 square 9, ma'am.
This is like a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square equal to
3q square,
3q whole
3q square plus whole square plus 2 whole
plus
square
2 into
plus 2 into 3q into 2.
into 2. Good. Next, 3q whole square is, what is the answer?
9q square
9q square
Square. 2 square is
plus 4
plus 4. 2
plus
3
4
plus
into
12q
3q
plus 12q, ma'am.
plus
6q
2 3 is
into 2.
6. 6 2 is 6 2 is
12q
12
12.
12q.
Arrange the terms based on the power.
9q square
9q square
plus 12q
plus 12q
plus 4.
plus 4. Here we have to show that in the form of 3m plus 1. See this equation here, we don't have 1.
We need to split.
Here, 4 is there, ma'am.
4 write it as 1 plus something. Do you understand? Here we want 1 plus 1. Our 3m, here we have to write in the form of 3m.
Ma'am, we will take common as 3, ma'am, so we can take 3 plus 1.
Q square plus 12q. 4 write it as 3 plus 1. Do you understand? Y means here we want
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
because common. Ma'am, because we will take 3 as common.
this. 3 is common. Take 3 is common.
3 bracket 3
Uh,
q
3
square.
3q
Q
square
square plus
4q
4q
plus
plus 1. Bracket plus 1.
plus 1. Next, 1 write as it is. Do you understand this step? Here, m equal to, let m equal to 3q square. In this way,
3q square plus 4q plus 1.
4q plus 1. So our equation becomes a square of any positive integers is in the form of 3m plus 1.
1.
In place of 3q square plus 4q plus 1, we write m. So
M.
it becomes a square equal to 3m plus 1. Therefore, square of any positive integers are in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if they can also ask 3m plus 2 also.
Alpha plus?
No,
What?
ma'am, here they can also ask 3m plus 2 also.
3m plus 2. Or don't take 3m plus 2. Here we have to show that in the form of 3m plus 1.
No, ma'am, they can ask ma'am the question.
If they will ask you how to do it.
Ah.
In exam, if they will ask you, then question won't be like this, Kevin. It will be something different.
Yes, sir.
If they will ask you 3m plus 2, then it will be some other thing. Depend upon the question.
In
It will
thought, see, thought case 4, write it as 2 plus 2. In that case, you take 2 plus 2. Okay? So, here we get 3m
Yes, ma'am,
plus 2.
I can understand.
Thought case only.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay?
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I go to next one? Dilipan, Nitinaj,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve it.
5th question.
Let it complete. Complete it. Is it completed? Completed, Ra?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Go to the last question now.
Yes, sir.
What is the last question? Read, all of you.
Use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.
In this question, here we have to show the cube of any positive integer. In previous question, square of any positive integer. You understand? Square of cube of any positive integers. What are cube of? Say that numbers.
1 cube, 2
1 cube,
3 cube,
1 cube, 2 cube,
2 cube,
3 cube,
3 cube,
and so on.
4
Do you
cube,
understand?
and so on.
Here, cube of any positive integers is in the form of 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8.
Or 9m.
Okay. Use Euclid division algorithm.
But here up to 9, how can we do, ma'am?
Wait,
We can
wait.
take.
See, in previous question, range in between 0 to 3, correct? This question.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
True. Here we can use Euclid division algorithm. What is Euclid division algorithm? General form.
A is equal to BQ plus R.
2BQ plus R and A equal to A is any positive integer. Any positive integer. Let A is any positive integer. And B value. What is our B value?
9.
Don't take 9. Suppose you take 9. What is the range of R? 0 less than or
No,
equal
ma'am, it will go to 8, ma'am. 0 to 8.
Suppose you take 9. Here we get 9 values. It means very complicated, correct?
We can see, take 3.
3. Why we take 3? What are the factors of 9?
That's
Except 1
3
and 9.
into
Except 1 and 9.
Ma'am.
Other factors.
3 3s are.
3 3s.
3 3, sir, ma'am.
The one factor of 9. Only one factor of 9 other than 1 and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So take B equal to, let B equal to 3. Do you understand?
It is a perfect square, correct? Until 9 values will take, it is very huge.
Yes,
and
sir.
very complicated. Because they are asking what? Cube, correct or not? So it is a cube, A plus B whole cube formula will come. Very big complication. So that is why we are taking till R value equals to 3 only. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Do it
sir.
now. So R value, what is the values R value now? Maximum B value equals to 3. So R value, how much it will come? How many? 0, 1,
0, 1 and 2, sir.
1 and 2. That's all. Do it.
So A equal to, what is our B value? What is our B value?
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3Q plus R. What is the range of R? R in between
0, 1 and 2.
0 to 3. So possible values of R. What are the possible values of R?
0, 1 and 2.
0, 1 and 2. Do you understand this one? So first you take when R equal to 0. When R equal to 0, then equation becomes A equal to 3Q plus 0. Do you understand this one? Like previous sum. When R equal to 1, A value, A equal to, what is A? Please respond. A equal to
3Q plus 1, ma'am.
3Q plus 1. Next. When R equal to, when R equal to
2.
2, what is our A value?
A is
3Q
equal to
plus-
3Q plus 2, ma'am.
Plus 2.
3Q plus 2, ma'am.
See, here asking cube of positive integer, correct? Cube of positive integer means cubing on both sides. A is our positive integer, correct? A is our positive integer. So cubing on both sides. Cube on both sides. A cube equal to cubing on both sides. Then equation becomes A cube equal to 3Q plus 0 whole cube, correct?
3Q plus 0 the whole cube.
So A cube equal to 3Q whole
3Q
cube.
cube, ma'am. 3Q the whole cube.
3 cube is, what is the cube of 3? 3 cube.
27, ma'am. 27 the whole, 27 cube
3
cube.
into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 cube. Understand this one? So first one, A cube equal to 27 cube. But here we have to show in the form of cube of positive integers are
9m.
in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1,
9m
9m
plus,
plus 1 or 9m plus
9m, 9m plus 1
9m plus 8.
and 9m plus 8.
So now how you can Sora? Please anybody tell me 27 9 27 q q
Sir,
cube.
9 of 3q cube, sir. Sir, 9 of 3q cube. 9 into 3q
Right.
cube.
In the form of 9m. In the form of 9m.
27 how you can write?
27 cube
9
cube.
into 3, sir.
9 in the
9
form
into
of
3 cube.
9m. How can you write?
9 into 3.
No, sir, 9 into 3, sir. 9 into 3.
9 into 3 cube.
Cube, ma'am.
3 cube. So here
Then
m equal to, what is our m?
3q cube, ma'am. 3q cube.
Cube is our m. So equation becomes 9. 9 into, in place of 3q cube, we write m.
Ma'am.
So cube of any positive integers are in the form of 9m. Do you understand?
9m.
Next case, case 1, r equal to 1. Case 2, when r equal to 1.
Yeah, you tell Ray next cube on both sides. All of you.
Sir, a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube, sir.
What happened, Ray? Dilipan, are you eating or sleeping? Shalini,
Equal to
speak. 3 cube, Tarani Bushma is there, Soumya are there.
3q plus 1 the whole cube. Ma'am, a plus is zero.
what is the a plus b whole cube formula?
Who will say? From class 9th.
Ma'am, a cube plus
A cube
Ma'am, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab.
3a square b plus 3ab square.
Plus 3b square.
3ab square.
3ab square.
Those who don't know also.
We can take that another formula also. Ma'am, we can take that another formula.
Another formula also there. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b.
3ab, a plus b.
That is also you can write.
You want, you can write it, no issues. But we will use this formula only here.
Okay. So a cube equal to
You tell Dilip and you speak. Tell me according to the formula. What is A and what is B? Tell me in that formula.
3q. 3q. Whole cube.
whole cube
Plus
3q the whole cube, then plus 1 the whole cube.
1 plus
3
3
into
into 3q
3q
square.
square
cube
plus
3q
1
whole square plus 1
plus
Not
1
3
plus 1
whole
into
square.
1 into 1
Into
not
1.
plus 1 plus
plus 3 into
s a value
3 cube.
a
3
3
cube.
into 3q
3 cube
into
into
1
one
whole
square.
into 1
1 square.
square.
Okay, very good. What is 3q whole cube? 3q whole cube. is-
Ma'am, then
3q is
27q cube, ma'am.
27
27
cube.
cube
plus 1 cube is 1
plus 1
1 ma'am.
Plus
and 3 into 3 cube
1. Ma'am,
Nine.
9q square, ma'am.
9q
9q square.
9 cube square, ma'am.
next 3 into 3
9 cube
9q into 1.
cube.
9q, ma'am.
Okay. Next. It is 27 cube plus 1
Plus
plus
1
9
plus
27
27q square.
square plus 9q, right, as it is.
9q.
Arrange the terms based
Now
on
in
the
general
power.
form.
Arrange the terms based on the power.
Yes, ma'am. 97q plus 27q square plus 9q plus
Arun Karthikeyan.
Sir,
Speaker. Arrange it.
27 cube
27 cube.
So that-
27q plus 27q square
Cube plus 1.
Based on the
plus 9q plus 1.
plus 27 cube, 27 cube
24
plus
square
2
Square,
square
ma'am.
ma'am
Cube
9.
plus
plus
9
1.
square
Okay, here we have to write in the form of 3m. 3m or 3q?
9m.
9m.
Ma'am, 9m.
9m.
9m plus 1.
9m plus 1.
Plus 1.
That common thing. You can keep it outside.
What is the common? These three
Then
terms.
we can take the 9 common now.
9 of
9 is
9 into 3q cube into 3q square.
Q,
3q
Ma'am,
3Q
3 ma'am, 3Q
plus
square ma'am, plus
Plus
3q
3
square plus 1
3
cube plus 1
plus 1
square ma'am.
plus q.
1. Good.
Ma'am.
then
Plus
plus 1
1 ma'am.
cube
plus
1
1
ma'am.
ma'am.
Plus 1. Good. Next, m equal to here. What is m value?
3q cube plus 3q square
3q square plus 1.
Square
plus
plus
1 q ma'am.
this whole thing equal
Ma'am
to
plus 1 q ma'am.
of this expression we can
Ma'am
write
plus 1 q only no ma'am.
it is 9m plus 1.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3q cube plus
Ma'am.
3q square plus
ma'am
q only no.
plus 1
Now 1 is
1
coming.
q ma'am 1 q.
1 cube. Here we can write 1 cube.
Hey, 1 Q here, 1 Q here, Q Q.
1 cube, okay.
1 cube.
This is
Very
1
good.
cube, very
1
good.
Q,
One
ma'am.
cube.
Here also Q. That is. So is it came to 9m plus 1? Now last one 9m plus 8. All of you solve it.
Next, when r equal to 2, what is the equation? A equal to 3q.
A is equal to 3q plus 2 ma'am.
Next, cubing on both sides. Solve it, all of you.
Jalni, Tarani Pushpa, tell the answer Akshaya.
Kartikeya.
Yes, sir. A cube is equal to
The whole cube
3q plus 2 the whole cube.
AQ equal to 3q
3q plus 2 the whole cube.
plus 2 the whole
A plus B whole cube formula.
I'm 3Q.
AQ plus BQ plus
3 cube plus b cube plus
plus 3a square b
3a square
3A
plus
3ab square.
plus 3B.
square.
Apply A plus B whole cube formula.
3
3q
3q cube
ma'am.
plus 2 cube plus 3 into 3q square into 2
3 into
3 into
uh,
3Q square
square
into 2 ma'am.
into 2.
2 ma'am.
Okay. Next,
Plus 3
Plus
3
3
Plus
into
3q into 2.
AB.
2
AB or AB square.
ab square ma'am.
ab square
2
Into
square.
2 the whole square.
Yes. 3q whole cube. What is the formula?
7 ma'am.
Answer.
27.
27q
27
27 cube plus
Cube, ma'am.
8
8.
plus 8 ma'am.
plus
8.
3 into 9q
3q square. 3q whole square.
9q square
9q
9 square ma'am.
3 into 2.
9q
3 into 3 9 ma'am.
3 9.
Into
9q into 4
Square 4 ma'am.
4.
So now again you do it.
27q cube
27 cube
27 cube plus 8
plus 8 plus 27
27 Q square ma'am.
27
Into 2 ma'am.
54 q square ma'am. Ma'am 54 q square.
3 2s are 6. 6. 9
six
are
are.
9 6 are.
Sir, 54 ma'am. 54.
9 6 are
9
54.
6
are.
54.
54
ma'am.
square.
54.
Next. 9 into 4. 9
Plus-
Next
4
36 ma'am. 36.
36 cube. Write the terms based on the power.
Based on the power
Ma'am,
you write.
27
27 q plus 54 q
Q
square
ma'am
plus
plus
36.
54 Q square ma'am. Plus 36 Q ma'am plus 8 ma'am.
Let's say. Good.
Let's say, very good. Who is that Ray? Karthikeyan, na?
Dilip and
Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan.
Okay. Very good. Here we have to write in the form of 9m plus 8. Correct?
9m plus 8 ma'am.
Don't disturb the 8. How to write in the form of 9m plus 8? It is equation.
We want to
Ma'am,
take
9
common
of
ma'am.
3 q.
9 is
we have to
We have to
take
take
9
9 as a
common
common and
We want to
3
take
cube
common ma'am. 3 ma'am. 3
cube
Q
ma'am.
Very good. Next term.
3
Plus-
cube
plus
then
36
6 q ma'am. 6
square.
q. 9 into
Q square ma'am.
Yes.
Plus
Next.
Plus 4
and 4 q.
4q. Very good. Plus 8.
plus 8 ma'am.
plus 8
Plus
Ma'am,
8
M
ma'am
is
plus
equal to
8.
3
So now
Here
9m plus 8 ma'am. Now m
plus
is equal to 3
6
q
square ma'am
plus
plus 4 Q ma'am.